Hi, it's Zoe from Sight Hampshire. I am a smartphone advisor for visually impaired people to show other visually impaired people and blind people how to get the best out of their smart devices. I'm visually impaired myself and find a lot of these accessibility features on these lovely smart devices really useful, so I want to share with you. So, on my previous videos I showed you how to turn Voiceover on, and I also showed you how to move around the screen with Voiceover on, and how to open apps and come out of apps, and also how to open folders. This demonstration I'm going to show you how to move to the next page. So this is my home screen showing on the screen at the moment, and I know I've got other apps on other pages on this device. Now, before we were just using the one finger to move around the screen to listen to my apps and whatever text is on the phone. This time we need to use 3 fingers, and we need to use them together and move them from right to left across the screen, as though we're flicking away some dust on the screen, but having those 3 fingers lightly touching the screen and flicking across to the left. So let me demonstrate.
Page 2 of 8, YT Studio.
Okay, so that's moved me on to the second page. If I do it again, so my 3 fingers are a little bit spread from each other. They're not close up together, they're a little bit spread, and they are vertical, and they are going to go from the right hand of the screen across to the left hand of the screen. Okay, and as though you're just flicking some dust away.
Page 3 of 8, translate.
Okay, that's page 3. So you're using the flat part of your fingers. If you've got long nails, it's not going to work. You're going to need to sort of adjust your fingers. So if you've got long nails, it is going to be difficult, so you need to make sure you use the pads of your tips of your fingers. Okay, so those 3 fingers are spread a little bit apart. Oops, and I just tapped the screen. And I'm going to use those 3 fingers from the right hand side of the screen going across to the left, as though I'm flicking a page across or some dust.
Page 4 of 8.
Oops, and I knocked the screen that's videoing, so we've gone a bit wobbly. Okay, so this is how
Page 5 of 8.
we change the pages. Now, to go back the other way, I'm sure you can work out, those 3 fingers again are going to go from left to right this time. Okay, so 3 fingers spread a little bit apart, and then go across the screen. I won't talk over the next one so you can hear it, but it's 3 fingers spread a little bit apart, and I'm holding my little finger with my thumb underneath just to keep them out the way. Okay, so my little finger is underneath where my palm is, and my thumb is holding it in place, so both those parts of my hand are out the way. So 3 fingers from the left to right.
Page 3 of 8, translate.
And again.
Page 2 of 8, YT Studio.
And again.
Home, page 1 of 8.
And now I'm back to my home screen. And that's how you move pages. I hope you found this useful. Please get in touch with me if you have any questions, and I look forward to you joining me on my next demonstration video. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can contact me at Sight Hampshire on 02380 641 244, or email info@opensight.org.uk. Thank you for watching.